Hey everyone, and welcome to Boss Advisory. Today we're going to learn about 5 ways people do to become rich. 5.8% of Americans are considered millionaires. The average millionaire is 62 years old, and only 1% are under 35 years old. Maybe you've graduated from college and are looking for guidance, or maybe you're tired of working a 9-to-5 job, or maybe you're trying to learn how to get rich somewhere in your life. This video contains all the information you need to move from the poor and middle class to the top 5.8% and even the top 1% of society. These are more than just hints. These are the actual steps many successful people from all over the world have taken to change their lives. These steps are also included in most of these expensive seminars and courses. I am giving them away for free, so pay close attention. I don't like wasting time, so let's get started right away. Step 1. Work on your thinking. Trying to make your own success without the right thinking is like trying to dig a hole with a teaspoon. That's a bad idea. What's happening in your brain has a big impact on the outcome of what you are doing. I could spend an hour with you and tell you if your attitude is correct and if everything is important. Your way of thinking, your actions, what you say, how you tell it all, generally, your words are your life, your progress, your results, and your mental and physical. It cannot be said that it controls even physical health. You can talk like a failure and you can't expect to succeed. What do you need to change? Imagine starting your business and losing all the money you invested in 2 months. How does it make you feel? If you're desperate to go out of business or keep trying until you succeed, you'll find that failure is just a painful lesson. Life teaches you something whenever you fail, as long as it may hurt you. And if you do your best, you can learn from anything. It's not what's happening. It's how you interpret what's happening. It's about how you interpret what's going on. Second, how do you feel about the rich and the money? Do you have a negative relationship with money or the rich? Did your mom tell you that money is the source of everything? If you find an apparently rich man on the street and immediately enter attack mode to judge him, you need to fix it. This feeling is called jealousy. You can't make money with it. Hating someone who has money doesn't make you a bad person. The money itself is neutral. It only enhances your personality. So if you are a bad poor and rich, you will be a bad rich. If you are a good person but a poor person, your money will be good and rich. Through work ethics of the movie The Crawler by Dan Gilroy. Lewis says that if you want to win the lottery, you need to make money to buy a ticket. Success is a matter of luck, but you have to. If you want to be rich, you have to get things done. Hard work is important, and that's why you should enter the industry you really enjoy. You have to love what you are doing. Then you will not take a break because you are better off at work than a break. There is still more to think about. The video isn't enough to explain it. Many people try to skip this step, but you can't go anywhere. I have made many videos on this topic, so if you want to know more, subscribe now and check out the other contents. It will change your life. Step 2. Acquire financial literacy. It doesn't make sense to earn $50 million. Being able to read and write economically is very important when you are wasting it all. Take a look. You can see all these stories about the general public who won the lottery and earned millions of dollars instantly but lost everything within a few months. Why is it so easy? They don't know how money works and what to do with it. If you want to develop your own financial skills, you need to practice healthy financial habits for the first time now. This is what you need to work on. One-time purchase business assets, not liabilities, will help you make money in the future. Debt is what robs your pocket of money. The rich concentrate on investing. Therefore, I don't like buying debt. Be wise and keep this in mind every time you make an important purchase. Will this purchase lose value or increase in value over time? 2 practical economic habits. Your habits define who you are, and your financial habits are probably unhealthy. From now on, you need to just earn, practice, save, invest, limit to spending only 1% of your income, and do your best to save another percentage. You don't have to make a lot of money. But what do you think will happen when you get rich if you don't save and invest now? That's all. The education stage goes beyond step 1 and 2. We are all about practicing and developing your best thinking and habits. Step 3 is to work on the skill. As such, you can make lemonade without lemon. You can't make money without skills. You have to offer something to the market. They have to be valuable. Great if your goal is to start a business. But first you need to build capital and the ability to generate wealth. You need to get involved in the game and start offering something to value. And it can be anything you can use to monetize your passion, and you can probably learn it for free on the internet. What are their most important skills? Their overall ability to quickly acquire new skills, and this is exactly what you should start with. Here are some tips to help you learn your skills. Practice faster and stay focused. How do you expect to learn things fast? What if you keep getting in the way? You sit at your desk, drink coffee, and try to get something done. Place your finger on the keyboard and start typing important information. Then your phone rings, and your cat asks for attention. The cell phone then begins receiving messages from people. I also want to take a break after 2 hours have passed, and before I realize, I'm not doing anything other than eating, surfing the internet, or chatting. Well, it's unproductive. When studying or working, get rid of all the distractions. Let everyone know you're busy. Turn off your phone as often as it hurts. And focus on just one session. Once you know how to work efficiently, you can move on to the beneficial skills of your choice. The 4th step supports your dreams by becoming irreplaceable in the market. Whether you're starting a business or working on a personal brand, you can enter a highly competitive market. Have you ever wondered why it's so easy to lose a normal job? For example, if you work as an assistant, you can easily lose your job if you are not efficient enough. And it's not difficult for a boss to find a new employee. The world is full of people looking for that job. Therefore, regular work is not very beneficial. To get more rewards, you have to be more irreplaceable and unique. Imagine you are the only person selling tomatoes in your community. It will work. If you're just one of hundreds of tomato vendors, it can be very difficult to attract customers. Therefore, you should develop the skills as soon as you complete the previous steps, and it can be whatever you like. Another good tip is not only to choose what you like, but also to mix the two, which are rarely mixed. For example, if you're a culinary-loving programmer, you might be a culinary programmer and specialize in developing websites for restaurants. Make sure it is not only beneficial, but also gives you the opportunity to be irreplaceable no matter what your skills or business is. Step 5. Fail as you want. You're starting a business and marketing your skills in the market, so you're ready to fail. Big time. This phase is all about experimentation. You may find that the skill you are trying to learn is not suitable for you, and that's okay. We talked about failure and the importance of it succeeding, but admitting that failure grows you isn't as easy as it sounds at first, but it's time to actually see it. Failure is a positive thing. Getting rich is not easy and sometimes overwhelming, but it's good because it means you are. If you don't know what to do next, select a task to run. That's all. These are the steps that millions of people have taken to simply make the transition from poor to rich. Well, the point is that it's not complicated, but it is difficult. It takes a lot of effort and dedication. Let's briefly summarize what you have learned. Step 1 is to build a strong mindset by interpreting failure, negative relationships with money and the rich, and changing your work ethics. Step 2 is financial education from knowledgeable people. It is to practice good financial habits such as receiving and purchasing assets instead of debt. 3. Work on your skills, especially the ability to learn faster. You can do this by improving your focus. Make money and support your dreams by providing valuable skills to the market. The more irreplaceable you are, the more rewards you will receive. Today, we really aim to become millionaires ourselves. So here's one of the millennial ways that allows you to make profitable money online right from the comfort of your own home. And as a matter of fact, you can take it with you anywhere you go. If that interests you, make sure to click the first link down below to find out. Thank you guys so much for watching Boss Advisory, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up and hit the bell icon so you can get notified on every new incredible content we make for you. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you on the next one.